The connectivity testing feature makes checking the connection quality of your LoRaWAN network easy and convenient. All you need is Yosensi application and devices nearby.
Why is LoRaWAN connection quality important?
Energy efficiency. Connectivity testing accurately identifies areas with strong signal strength, leading to more efficient energy consumption by the device. This results in a longer battery life. Optimal installation. Identify the optimal device location before mounting, avoiding weak signal impacts on functionality. Data loss prevention. Minimize data frame losses, crucial for stable data transmission, especially at signal range boundaries. Download the Yosensi application.
Enjoy simple device configuration.